Hey guys, welcome back to my channel This and That. In today's video, we are going to make this beautiful chart paper rose. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. So let's get started. So to make this pretty rose, you will need colored paper. You can use any type of paper like chart paper, origami paper, or even crepe paper. Here I am using red colored origami paper. Draw and cut out a circle of radius 7 cm. You can draw a bigger circle or a smaller circle depending on what size of rose you want to make. Now, we are going to cut this circle into a spiral. You can first draw the inward spiral on this circle and then start cutting it, or you can cut directly as well. Here I am cutting the inward spiral directly. Once you are done cutting this inward spiral, you have to start quilling. You can also use quilling tools if you want. Make sure you are not quilling too tightly as it won't let the petals spread and bloom later. Now we have to stick the quilled portion to the base of the rose. For making the stem of the rose, we are going to cut out a strip from green origami paper. You can use crepe paper as well, as it will give a better texture. You have to paste this strip on a stick. You can use any random stick or a green color straw, or you can even use a skew stick. Now we will take another strip and quill it and paste it on one end of the stick, that is our stem. This will provide a better mounting surface for our rose. Now finally, we will stick the rose on its stem.